Good morning, Petrolet family, and welcome to the day 11 of the Coastal Triangle ride. So it is 7:45 in the morning right now, and we are at Udupi. So today the plan is that we'll go to St. Mary's Island, and we'll be there for some time. The place is really nice, and you know, whenever I come to Udupi, I have to go there, right? So that is why we'll be heading there now. Well, अभी आज जल्दी निकल रहे हैं because last evening we saw that there was a huge rush in Malpe Beach, right? So Malpe Beach से ही वो the ferry goes to St. Mary's Island where you have to go, right? So this is why we are going a bit early. We're starting early, like 8:15 we should be there in Malpe Beach. And if we are there by 8:15, so it will be easy for us to go there, and we'll come back by 11:30 back to the land, like back to the other side of the Arabian Sea, right? Now, very interesting thing about Malpe, the St. Mary's Island is that when in the 1800s, when Vasco da Gama first came to India, he first actually came to St. Mary's Island, right? And from there, he went to Cochin, which is now called as Kochi in Kerala. So, yeah, this is the small history about St. Mary's Island, which I do know. So now, I am already ready. Shashank bhai is getting ready, and then we'll be heading out. Most probably, we'll take out only one bike. The versus will go out most probably, right? Not yet sure. And I'll be setting as pillion if versus is going out. So yeah, with that I will now wait for Shashank bhai to get ready, and within the next 10 minutes we'll be scooting out and we'll be headed towards Malpe Beach and then to St. Mary's Island, right, where we will also get a ferry ride. So which is very interesting because last time when I was on the ferry I was very scared because the sea was pretty rough. Let's hope this is it is better a bit this time. And yeah, I will speak to you guys once we are at St. Mary's Island now. So till then, stay tuned.
To circle the other, as you go you remain a stranger to me, to you, but our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin, you hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want?
So you have to take a boat ride to reach this island, right? And that is where the boat comes from. This is Malpe Beach there, or this side is the St. Mary's Island, right? तो अभी हम चलेंगे अंदर. Well, if you take your GoPro or cameras inside, you have to pay some fees for it. So अभी पूछते हैं. Last time I guess it was 200 rupees. अभी शायद change हो जाए amount. So we'll ask for that and चलते हैं अंदर. The boat guy said that we have 1 hour. It is 8:45 right now. 9:45 तक टाइम है. But last time there was no timing ऐसा. आप कभी भी जा सकते हो. अभी शायद सुबह का टाइम है, इसीलिए भी वो थोड़ा जल्दी कर रहे हैं, right? With that, this is the entry to St. Mary's Island. So you cannot bring food, bottles or plastic inside. It is not allowed. And well, let's speak here and then let's see if we have to pay a charge this time as well.
A few inches later.
तो यहाँ लगेज रूम पे कोई है नहीं. लास्ट टाइम आई पेड द टिकट द फीस फॉर द GoPro हियर. अभी कोई है नहीं. चलिए अंदर चलते हैं. सी इनसाइड, राइट? दिस इज़ द एंट्री. तो यहाँ से हम अंदर जाएंगे एंड आगे जाके द आइलैंड ओपन्स अप, राइट? सो यहाँ पे लास्ट टाइम शॉप वगैरह थी अंदर. देखते हैं इस साल क्या है. एंड इफ़ यू रिकॉल फ्रॉम माई प्रीवियस व्लॉग, यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस बोर्ड लास्ट टाइम एज वेल. तो अभी जैसा देख के लग रहा है, इट सीम्स लाइक वी आर द फर्स्ट पीपल टू कम टू दिस आइलैंड टुडे. पूरा आइलैंड खाली है एंड वी आर हियर अलोन, राइट? सो इसका पूरा फ़ायदा उठाया जाएगा. हम यहाँ पे अच्छे फ़ोटोज़ वीडियोज़ निकालेंगे, रील्स निकालते कुछ बढ़िया बढ़िया. लास्ट टाइम की मेरी एक रील यहाँ पे मैंने ली थी, विच इज़ वेरी नाइस, राइट? और पीछे आप देख ही सकते हैं इतना सुंदर समंदर. And with that, I'll catch you guys up once we are heading back towards Malpe Beach. यहाँ से, right? अभी आप लोगों को cinematics दिखाते हैं यहाँ के. So with that, now we are heading back to Malpe Beach, where we will go and get breakfast. So St. Mary's Island is always very beautiful, right? I have made it to St. Mary's Island. Well, I have made it to St. Mary's Island twice in a year now, right? So yeah, I love this place. This place kind of gives me the mental peace I need. इसीलिए जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, come to Udupi, right? And definitely St. Mary's Island is a must-come place. So yeah, with that, now we'll be heading back to Malpe. वहाँ जाके ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, थोड़ा सा चिल करेंगे फिर, एंड फिर आगे देखते हैं आज हम क्या करते हैं. मे बी विल गो टू कापू बीच इन द इवनिंग, बट या लेट्स सी हाउ दैट गोज, राइट? सो विद दिस इज प्रीतम एंड आई एम एट सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड राइट नाउ. और आपसे मुलाकात होगी जब हम दूसरी तरफ होंगे ऑफ द अरेबियन सी. सो टिल देन स्टे ट्यून्ड, एंड also if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. If you have not liked this video till now, please do hit the like button. If you have to share some inputs with me, please put them down in the comment section, and share it with your friends and family if you love this video. और आप लोगों से आगे बातें होगी जब हम उस साइड पहुंच जाते हैं.
15 minutes later.
तो अभी हम वापस आ गए हैं मलपे बीच के पास. बीच इज राइट बिहाइंड मी, और यहाँ से हम जाएंगे ब्रेकफास्ट करने, विच इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू आवर होटल, राइट? सो या सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड में इतने देर का ही काम था, दैट्स इट. इससे ज़्यादा और कुछ वहाँ है नहीं. सो वाई स्टैंड इन द सन फॉर सो लॉन्ग, राइट? और गर्मी भी बढ़ रही है अभी, सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू स्कूट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सो यहाँ से चलते ब्रेकफास्ट करने, फिर आप लोगों से बातचीत होगी.
Later that night.
So now we are back at the hotel. तो यहाँ पे कुछ स्कैम हो गया मेरे साथ थोड़ा सा. We went outside, I took some footages, but वो footages आए नहीं, like it did not get recorded, right?
One pathetic sob story later.
So well, yeah, that is kind of a scam which happened with me a couple of times before as well. अब यहाँ पे भी हो गया है. Well, I'll deal with this. आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. And it was nice again visiting Udupi. Met a friend as well, long time friend. उनसे मिली, बातें करी हमने. We had lunch together. शशांक भाई भी थे साथ में. And then we headed back to the hotel. यहाँ पे आए, हमने पैकिंग वगैरह सारी करी. कल हमको यहाँ से निकलना है to a new destination. अब देखते हैं वो डेस्टिनेशन कहाँ होती है. नए डेस्टिनेशन के लिए आपको जानने के लिए आपको बने रहना पड़ेगा इस वीडियो के नेक्स्ट पार्ट में, विच विल बी डे 12 ऑफ आवर कोस्टल ट्रायंगल राइड, करेक्ट? तो अब इसी के साथ आज हम यहाँ पे क्लोज करेंगे. अभी और हम बाहर नहीं जाएंगे, मोस्टली डिनर के लिए बाहर जाएंगे या ऑर्डर करवा लेंगे अंदर, वट एवर इज द सिनेरियो, एंड दैट्स इट फॉर द डे, राइट? So as always, I have been saying in this entire series that if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. If you have watched this video till now, please do hit the like button, and if you have any inputs for me, put them down in the comment section. Also follow me on Instagram क्योंकि updates वहाँ पहले आते हैं YouTube से, right? And as always, wear your safety gears when you're riding a two-wheeler. Never twist the throttle with your ego. This is your friend Preetham from Udupi signing off.